Hi, Ashley Hunt, Senior Project Management Instructor here at StormWind Studios. And when I teach certification classes, specifically the PMP or the ACP, students have to go through the Project Management Institute's website to fill out their application. So PMI.org. Typically, it's the application that freaks people out because you have to have so many things very well documented and you don't actually have a lot of space to fill out what you've been working on as far as the projects are concerned. But after you pass and you have your certification, there's yet another aspect, and this is maintaining your certifications, your PMP or your ACP or your CAP-M, and part of that is collecting what are called professional development units. Now, when you took the class, you got contact hours, 35 for the PMP, 21 for the CAP-M, and so on. Those are contact hours because they're pre-certification. 1 hour equals 1 contact hour of training. Now, once you pass, you will need to maintain your certification with professional development units. The only difference between a contact hour and a PDU is that PDUs are post-certification. So 1 hour equals 1 professional development unit. Now, there's a lot of different ways to get PDUs just by doing your job, which is kind of cool. There are different classifications of professional development units, but training is a big piece of maintaining your certifications. And so any class that I teach outside of the Microsofts is approved by the Project Management Institute for professional development units. If you've taken your PMP and now you're interested in the ACP, well, you're going to get professional development units from that ACP. And or if you have both certifications, your professional development units can be applied in some ways across the board. And so with the PMP, you need 60 professional development units. Part of that is in the leadership category, which is things like communication skills, negotiation, and so on. What you might also not be aware of is that gaining professional development units doesn't necessarily have to be specific to project management. You could take a Cisco course, and if that pertains to your day-to-day job and its education, then you can collect your professional development units. The other one is ITIL. So if you're interested in ITIL and also maintaining your certifications, then ITIL can count toward your professional development units. So if you're interested in finding out more about PDUs, you can go out to PMI.org or feel free to email me at any time, ashley.hunt@stormwind.com, and I'll be able to walk you through the process. It's not the easiest process in the whole entire world, but once you know what you're doing and how you do it, you've got 3 years to collect your professional development units in one certification cycle for the PMP. So there's plenty of time to investigate what you're interested in, what classes you might want to take that fit into what they call the talent triangle. So definitely check out www.pmi.org and also stormwindstudios.com to find out what classes we offer that are approved by the Project Management Institute for professional development units or contact hours.